external heat source, such as geothermal vents, or the decomposition of organic matter, burrowing or mound found in the low soil for the tropical island habitat. For their flight ability, megapods can fly about 10 to 30 meters just to escape from their predators. For their habitat, they live in dense, subtropical or tropical moist lowland forests. They typically favor coastal areas, beaches, and volcanic regions with low soil.
Population and threats. The population of the megapods tends to decline or decrease throughout the years due to the following threats: overexploitation of the birds, such as hunting, especially the adult megapods, which are hunted for food and food or prey, followed by egg collection. Another threat is predators. Predators such as cats and dogs, which kill and hunt adult megapods for food, or even little ones, followed by rats, which eat the eggs and hatchling. Another is pigs. Pigs is a predator because it may damage the breeding mounds of the while foraging. Another threat to the population is habitat destruction, such as logging, agriculture, and cattle ranching, which tend to use up a lot of the land for uses, which then damage the ecosystem where the megapods live. Lastly, natural disasters such as cyclone, heavy rain, and fire. This may damage the breeding mounds, or even can bury the young chicks inside, or it can expose them to predators.
To conclude our discussion, Vanuatu macapod is a rare and unique bird species that is only found on the islands of Vanuatu. Now, these species have been considered as vulnerable species, and the only way to prevent these species from extinction is through conservation. Now, conservation of the Vanuatu macapod is not only about saving lives of these bird species, but it's also about protecting the balance of Vanuatu's unique ecosystem. By preserving the nesting ground, especially volcanic and forest areas, we can also safeguard the biodiversity that supports rural livelihoods and the nation's natural heritage. Now, sustainable community is also one of the main key that we can educate local people about the importance of these birds and encourage responsible hunting that can make a difference. Now, we can also establish protected areas and ongoing researches that will help monitor and rebuild the population of these species. So, Vanuatu macapod is not only a symbol of fragility, but it's also a symbol of resilience of the island's ecosystem. Now, through protection, our